So one of the types of elements that you can actually go ahead and work around with in Strikingly is a profile element. So over here, you can see that I have the make your own section right here that you can access out over here from the add new section over here at the end. You can go around over here onto advanced and you can see the make your own section right here. So around over here, what you can actually do is click on add element. And here you can see that one of the types of one of the types of elements that you have is a profile element. Click on it. Then you simply have, let's say, a profile element where you have the image and text at the bottom. You can go around over here onto the layout and change around, let's say, for example, the alignment of the text right here. You can go ahead and change the media position to bottom or top and even enable a button as you want right here. So apart from that, you can go around over here onto borders, add in a card right here, and then change around the size of the card right here, change around the padding right here to medium or large as you want, and even add in a border right here. If you were to go back, you can even go ahead and change this out into a list as you want. So basically, this is what you have, as you can see, and that is what you can do with a profile element. So you can go ahead and change around the image as you want, change around the text as you want right here, and then you can go ahead and change around the button as well. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and say something like, let's say, for example, like more info right here, just like this, and that will be added in. And over here you can add in a URL as well and work around with the design, like change around the button size and so forth right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the profile element inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.